Hello friends, in my last video I talked about the basics of stock market, how can you begin investing in stock market. Today we will be covering a very basic concept like why do companies go public. Okay, why do companies go public, what is the origin of any business, how a idea progresses from its starting stage to the public listing stage, all these things, what are the processes involved in between. We will be covering each one of them one by one. So let's begin. So origin of any business, what happens, like a person gets an idea, he researches about it, he thinks about it whether it is a good idea or not. Okay, the person who gets an idea is called a promoter. Okay, promoter is any person who has a business idea. So what happens after that, he goes to few of his friends, he shares the idea with them, with his friends, family. Okay, and then he tries to get some kind of funding from the friends or the family. So at this point of time, the people who are interested in his business idea or who are willing to invest in his business idea are called the angels. Okay, the angel investors, because they are called angels because they are willing to invest at the very starting stage of his business, like when the business has not yet started growing any amount of revenue. So suppose three people, the promoter and two of his friends, have started invested and they have they have been successful in getting an amount of 5 crores. Now this 5 crore is called the seed fund. Promoter along with the two angels raise a capital of around 5 crores. Now the share capital of the company is 5 crores at this point of time. So let's talk about the valuation. Okay, the only asset at this stage is the 5 crores cash which these three have put together. So this is called the company's valuation. Issuing shares is quite simple. The company assumes that each share is worth rupees 10. So because it's the total amount is 5 crores, so there will be 50 lakh shares. Now this 50 lakh shares at the rate of 10 rupees. 10 rupees is called the face value. The face value could be any number. If the face value is rupees 5, then the number of shares will be 1 crore and so forth. So at this point of time there will be 50 lakh shares with each shares rupees 10. So what are the issued shares? So assume now at this point of the time the promoter retains 40% of the shares and the two angels get 5% each. They have distributed the shares among themselves in this pattern. So the shareholding pattern of the company will look something like this. Okay, the promoter has 40% of the shares, so he has 2 crores rupees. Angel 1 has 250,000, Angel 2 has 250,000, 5% each. Okay. Now 50%, the balance 50% pertaining to 2 crores 50 lakhs of the equity shares are retained by the company to be issued in future. Now they have started the business, now the business has started giving revenue and it is going very well. Suppose after 2 years, now they want to expand their business, they are doing really well. At this point of the time they find the promoter thinks that he needs an additional 7 crores. So they go in search of some investor who is willing to invest in their business to expand their business. The person who invests is called the venture capitalist. Okay, the venture capitalists are the people who invest a very early stage of the business. So promoter needs 7 crores to expand his business. He finds an investor who is willing to give 7 crores at 14% stake in the company. So remember, 40% for in the initially when the promoter was holding the shares, it was 2 crores 50 lakhs. Now here they are getting 7 crores for 14% stake in the company. So total 100% will be 50 crores. This is called Series A funding. You will be hearing this term quite often related to startups, that they have got Series A funding, Series B funding, seed fund, all these things. Okay, this is called the Series A funding. So now the equation will look something like this. The venture capitalist has put 7 crores to 50,000 angel, 2 to 50,000 angel. One promoter was having 2 crores. Okay, they have distributed 64% of the shares. Now the rest 36% of shares is retained by the company, has not been issued. Now the valuation, I talked about it, like the valuation will total to 50 crores because the 7 crores has been invested at 14% stake in the company. Now with this initial valuation of 5 crores, there is 10-fold increase in the company's valuation. Remember, it was 5 crores when these three started together. Now because of these four, the total valuation has increased 10-fold. From 5 crores it has increased to 50 crores. The equation will look something like this, like after 2 years the promoter won 2 crores will be equal to 20 crores, angel won 25 lakhs will be equal to 2.5 crores, and the venture capitalist has just now invested in the business 14% at 7 crores. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I will talk about how the business grows from here to the IPO stage in my next video. Thank you very much.